Hello guys and welcome back. This is like the first ever video that I put, so I'm actually showing my face. I'm all shy and smiling. Today I just really want to start this with a blast. It's not exactly a blast, but it's a simple asymmetrical top. I'm really excited. Let's get into it. Just cutting my patterns on the fabric right now. If you guys want a tutorial on how to make your own pattern for yourself, please be sure to leave it in the comments. That would really encourage me to make a video for that. So the first thing I did was to join both shoulders together and also hem the necklines of the back and the front. Now we'll sew both sides of our top and hem the bottom. Yeah. And now I've added both sleeves, the long one and the short one. I'm sorry I didn't show that, but yeah. And we're also not gonna hem it. Guys, this is really coming together. Okay, so I've attached the neck, and for the neck you're gonna have to really put it on your neck to mark the place where you attach it with, if that makes any sense. But yeah, let's go put this on. I'm really excited. Oh, and I also make this cute little top from scrap fabric. Okay, now let's get into it. Guys, this came out so great. I am really happy to have this in my wardrobe. Also the little top on the sides, I love it. You can look at me right now, I am loving this. Okay.
You never thought you did from papa.